For decades, Taiwan has welcomed members of U.S. Congress, Senate, and Parliament from all over the world in the spirit of friendship between our people, exemplifying our strong partnership in supporting shared values and common interests in democracy, human rights, peace, and prosperity. That China's 4 days air and naval live fire drill around Taiwan in response to U.S. Speaker Pelosi and delegates' visit to Taiwan is irresponsible and provocative behavior, has jeopardized regional peace. China shall be held accountable for escalating tensions, interrupting international transportation and trade, and infringing rules-based international order. Taiwan's presidential office calls on China to exercise restraint, ask for international unity to maintain peace and security. Taiwan will not escalate conflict, but we will resolutely defend our sovereignty, our security, and our democracy. We thank U.S. Secretary Blinken and all G7 foreign ministers and all the leaders and allies for reaffirming commitment to peace and stability over the Taiwan Strait. We thank Minister of State Gustav Itaro's message, quote, "The visit of U.S. House Speaker Pelosi marks a major historical moment for the people and the government of Taiwan. Palau has always been and will continue to be a strong supporter and advocate for Taiwan," unquote. Taiwan will continue to work with the Republic of Palau and other partners to defend freedom and democracy and peace and security in the region.